naghahanap pa ng daan. Hindi no. No. Ko na, okay. Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Bables. And thank you. Can you hear me? Na, pwede magtanggal na mask. Sige. Para lang po marinig ako na mabuti. Wait. Oh, that's it. Here in Japan, this time, it's summer. So it's very hard. Para lang po sa ating YouTube channel, magtatagal ako ng mask na lang. Para po marinig yung mask ko. Hello! It's me, Bables. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to help you guys for our new blind friends who don't know how to use the cane because of our COVID-19. It's very hard to do the orientation and mobility. So please help me. Let me help you how to have the orientation and mobility on your house. So first is the white cane. Konnichiwa, Bables desu. YouTube channel ni 今日は視覚障害者の箱状の使い方を、見せようと思って、最後まで、どうぞ時間がありましたら見てください。初めての視覚障害者の場合は、新型ウイルスと関係で、箱状、こちら箱状です。箱状の使い方は、今なかなか研究とか勉強とかできないので、私の YouTube チャンネルを使って少しでも情報交換できると嬉しいなと思っております。まずこの使ってるのはこれ箱状です。Now I'm using a white cane. This is called white cane. If you want to buy a white cane online, there is a size. Normally the size is just like this, the height of your tongue or your tummy, or at least here in your chest. So that is supposed to be the height of your white cane. So that if you're going to use it, you must forward your cane like this way. So this is left, right, left, right. So if you're not using this and there's a crowd, you must put your cane like this way. And then once you step, supposed to be this should be on the left side, diagonally. So how are you going to handle your cane? For me, it's up to you, whichever comfortable you are. Because if I'm in case, I like to do this way. I'm holding this way, and this way, and this way. So that I can feel it directly with my palm and in my body. So if I step like this, you step like this. So if you're looking for something, you just step. So this should be a rhythm. First, you need to practice the rhythm of how you're going to move your cane and your step. 例えば、これが箱状を使いながら、左と右の使い方、まず慣れないといけないので、左を、これをステップすると右、でこれを右にすると左。これを覚えると、体の動きが、もう見えなくても分かってしまいます。箱状は私たちの目になりますから、初めて視覚障害者になった方が、これが私のビデオを最後まで見てください。次にどうやって階段を降りますかっていう心配なんですね。 一人で歩くときはどうやって階段を使うかっていうことが非常に心配になると思いますけど、今から階段を降ります。で、階段を探すのにどうやって分かりますかっていう質問ですね。I first look on the side. Normally, the stairs have side. So, you need to look for the side. Ganda. See? My cane was able to know that there's already a stair. So from here, my cane goes straight before me, 2 steps ahead. So my cane was able to see that there's a stair. I need to look on the side. Please be careful. Get always on the side, not in the middle. Because some people are walking or running on the middle. So for us blind, it's better to walk on the side. So from here, how I'm gonna step? The first step, you need to stop and check first the depthness. この深さを見て確認してから覚えてください。初めての方は、これステップダウン、ステップ。慣れてる方は、ほとんど私たちはこの簡単に覚えてます。なぜかというと、もう慣れてたから、次々にステップしても大丈夫です。で、これが最後かどうかわからないでしょ。だから箱長はすっとこのまままっすぐにしてください。先に降ります。I'm gonna make slow down. Oh! 最後かな。そうなんです。これが最後だからちょっと少し浅いですね。で、動く前に見てください。ここにないでしょ。それで確認したらもう大体場所が分かってたらば、もう私はそちらの辺に行くのでそちらに行きます。So hope if you understand how I did with my cane, that's why I can move very fast. When are you going to handle like this? When are you going to handle like that? And when are you going to do this straight? And always check. If you were able to get use of your cane, you can identify the height of the stairs and the width. So from there, you can be safe even if you're going down the stairs or going up the stairs. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, and if you have some questions and if you want to inquire more about how blind works and do, please just do not forget to have the comment. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございました。最後見てみてくださってありがとうございます。バイバイ。